Hello everyone, this is Adarsh Shumba here. I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be about the book I'm about to publish. So last time I posted a set of questions in Instagram regarding my book. So I was overwhelmed to see the reaction. So many people were excited about this book, and that made me really happy. Thank you all for all your love and support, and you know, it was really great receiving all those questions and messages. So first one, without further ado, is by Miss Singha Pradhan. Where will it be available? She is an epigrammat and a poet. Before we answer her question, so it'll be available on online platform, right? That is Kindle and Amazon, right? So you can order your copy from there. If you use Kindle, then you can just go on and find my book and read it there. Shrishti Thapa asks, from where do I purchase this? So since you went ahead and asked me the same question, I'll give you an additional question, Shrishti. Thank you for the question, first of all. So the book will be available on Amazon, right, and Kindle, but there's an option of pre-order. If you pre-order the book, it might reach the book might reach to your doorstep on the day of release. So I'll be availing you all with that option of pre-order. So it'll be available on Kindle if you use Kindle. If not, the paperback version will be on Amazon. Next question is by Sabina D. When is it releasing? So as of now, we've scheduled it for the first week of June. The book will launch on first week of June. How many poems? Rajesh Tamang asks. So I don't know quantity, Rajesh, come on. Anyways, just kidding. So we have 26 poems in this book, right? A collection of poems, and it's with the major theme being romanticism and love, right? And the beta readers were pretty happy with the text, so I hope you all will enjoy it equally as well. Roman asks, publisher. So my publisher is KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. It is an online platform to publish your books. Very simple to use, but then of course there are complexities because you need to read documents, and their terms and policies, you need to know them. So there's a lot of reading involved in that. Next, okay, it's not a question, by Raksha. No questions yet, but a big congratulations to you and excited for your ontology. Keep going. Oh, thank you, Suraksha. That's really sweet of you. Ashna asks, where are you? When are you going to publish your book? So as of now, the scheduled date is first week of June, but on the 1st, I will let you all know, the exact date of release for the book. Roka, when is it coming out? Well, Roka, I don't know, you're a very tricky person. If you're asking me from brain to paper, it's already out. But if you're asking me about the market, when is the book gonna hit the market, it's gonna be first week of June. I will update you all, I'm really excited for this book, and I am really glad to see the equal enthusiasm and excitement on you guys, and thank you for all your love and support once again. So the last question is by Preetham Sharma. How are you going to release it now? So if before we answer his question, Preetham himself has published a collection of poems in native language, that is Nepali. If you all read Nepali text, please do follow him on Preetham Mainari on Facebook. Take care of yourself, wash your hands, once again, and I'm really overwhelmed, like to see the